While millions of people use the internet purely to consume entertainment, when a massive event starts trending, smart digital entrepreneurs see a rare shortcut to explosive product sales. Whenever a topic dominates global search engines, it creates a sudden, massive wave of consumer intent where people are actively looking for tools, assets, and frameworks to help them navigate that specific moment. The old way of building an online business required spending months developing a product and then praying you could find an audience for it. The modern digital economy operates completely in reverse. You identify an audience that is already highly emotional and hyper-focused on a trending event, and you launch a target-specific digital product within days to satisfy their immediate demands. Because digital products carry zero inventory costs and can be duplicated infinitely with a single click, marrying them with viral internet trends allows independent creators to scale clean profit margins with unprecedented velocity. Automated blueprint spreadsheets and data tracking dashboards. The moment a massive event captures global attention, it generates an overwhelming flood of complex data, and consumers are constantly willing to pay immediate premiums for digital products that organize that chaos for them. High-performing digital product creators tap into this by building custom, automated Google Sheets or Excel dashboards tailored precisely to the structure of the trending event. For instance, during a massive international sports tournament like the World Cup, fans look for deep match trackers, automated fantasy football calculator sheets, and tournament sweepstake managers that let them compete with colleagues. You do not need to be a software engineer to build these highly lucrative digital assets. By designing a beautifully clean, formula-heavy spreadsheet that automatically updates when a user inputs basic data, you create immense functional utility. These products convert exceptionally well because they solve a direct operational headache for the consumer, allowing them to track complex analytics or game records effortlessly. Creators are driving thousands of instant digital downloads by showcasing short, fast-paced video walkthroughs of the dashboard's capabilities, while the event's search volume is at its absolute historic peak. Notion productivity workspaces and contextual lifecycle templates. The global demand for customized organization systems has skyrocketed, and building niche-specific Notion templates around live cultural moments has become one of the fastest-growing sectors in the creator economy. When an event dominates the news cycle, people do not just want to watch it happen. They want to integrate it into their daily personal or professional planning workflows. Small business owners, digital agencies, and independent creators are constantly searching the web for ready-to-use content planners, event-specific trackers, and workflow hubs designed precisely around the parameters of a major trend. Entrepreneurs capitalize on this by rapidly designing comprehensive Notion workspaces that act as plug-and-play ecosystems for the buyer. If a major tech summit, corporate policy change, or global sporting event is happening, creators build templates that include built-in content calendars, pre-formatted documentation sections, and task prioritization boards tailored entirely to that timeline. Since the Notion Marketplace allows sellers to deliver these templates via a simple shared web link, the operational cost is completely zero, letting the business owner absorb thousands of dollars in pure impulse-driven profits. Visual overlay toolkits and short-form native asset packs. Every single time a massive cultural moment or international tournament takes over social media, millions of smaller content creators and brand managers scramble to produce topical videos to ride the algorithmic wave. To do this effectively, they desperately need high-quality, event-specific visual assets like transition files, graphic overlays, theme borders, and typography title packs to make their content stand out. Mainstream stock media websites move far too slowly to provide these niche assets, leaving a massive supply deficit that agile digital designers fill perfectly. By bundling high-definition motion graphics, custom color grading filters, and event-themed stickers into a downloadable asset toolkit, you create a highly desirable business-to-business digital product. Video editors and social media managers will gladly pay for these packs because it saves them hours of creative production time and allows them to get their trending videos published ahead of their competitors. The key to maximizing income in this niche is positioning your toolkit as an essential speed utility, allowing buyers to download the files instantly and drop them directly into their editing timelines. Premium curated resource digests and automated information vaults. The sheer speed at which information travels during a major global event can easily leave the average person feeling completely overwhelmed and disconnected from the core narrative. This informational friction creates a highly profitable opportunity for digital entrepreneurs who act as primary aggregators, transforming scattered internet data into highly organized digital resource vaults. Instead of forcing consumers to spend hours digging through messy social media feeds or corporate news sites, creators compile every piece of critical documentation, match data, or industry change into a single premium download. These information vaults can be delivered as beautifully formatted interactive PDFs, private database links, or comprehensive digital guidebooks that unpack everything a consumer needs to know about the current trend. Whether it is an immediate analytical breakdown of a major corporate shift or a deep tactical playbook dissecting a sporting event strategies, the value lies entirely in the curation. Buyers are paying for the time saved, choosing to spend a clear flat fee for a highly structured, accurate data repository that gives them instant clarity on the trending topic. Digital event commemoratives and high-end printable artwork packs. Major global trends, particularly high-stakes sports tournaments or cultural milestones, trigger deep emotional bonds and unforgettable historic memories within a massive international fan base. When a legendary athlete achieves a historic victory or a country breaks a record, fans naturally want to capture and preserve that specific moment in time. This emotional driving force creates a highly lucrative market for high-resolution digital printables, custom commemorative wall, art designs, and smartphone background asset packs. Digital store owners exploit this consumer desire by working with graphic designers or utilizing advanced digital creation tools to produce striking, minimalist posters and artwork celebrating the event's iconic moments. These designs are listed on digital storefronts as instant printable downloads, meaning the customer receives the high-resolution file automatically and prints it locally at their own expense. This brilliant e-commerce model completely eliminates the administrative nightmare of international shipping, physical product damages, and manufacturing logistics, allowing the digital creator to scale their profit margins seamlessly while fan enthusiasm remains at a fever pitch. Building an elite digital media presence and unlocking scalable wealth requires a precise understanding of real-time market intent and rapid asset delivery. If you want to keep mastering the underlying systems of the digital economy, learning how to launch profitable online assets, and discovering how to scale your business using massive global trends, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our next entrepreneurial deep dive.